Okay, it's recording. It should be.
Croon the birds. Here it is.
See
Oh,
it?
there's one right there. Right there.
Some enchanted evening, you might find a stranger. No, it's not working now. They're full.
Full, yeah. Yeah, they're full. Little birds.
That one clawed into me. That was alright.
Yeah, that's a lot of cookie for that
Yeah,
big,
it is.
big a bird.
We'll try it one more time.
You probably can't fly back.
We've got breakfast, guys!
I'm so full, I can't fly back.
Here he comes.
Here he comes.
Yeah.
Eyeballing it.
Enchanted evening, you may find a stranger. Uh-oh.
He just got a little and he wants.
Find a stranger across a crowded room.
Looks like they're full.
Yeah.
How come he didn't grab the whole thing?
I don't know.
Guess her beaks are only so big.
We tried.
Yeah. Elaine, can you sing? I can't.
You want pepperoni?
Oh, I have my own.
You have your own? Did you open your pack?
Yeah,
Oh,
actually.
you did? Oh man. I didn't realize it says refrigerated after opening.
Yeah. I'm probably just gonna stick mine in the snow.
Oh, okay.
I
But
don't
then
know.
tomorrow it's gonna be, unless you want to eat early in the morning, yeah.
Yeah. It's probably fine.